Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Coze is a no-code and low-code AI application development platform that allows users of all skill levels to build, test, and deploy AI chatbots and agents. It's developed by ByteDance, that is the parent company of TikTok. The platform's primary goal is to make AI application creation accessible to everyone from non-programmers to seasoned developers. Coze goes beyond simple chatbot creation by providing a robust set of tools and features that enable you to build complex, multifunctional AI agents. Now, what is this? Coze is a comprehensive, all-in-one platform for AI agent development. Its key components include: first, visual design and orchestration. It features a drag-and-drop visual interface that allows you to design conversational flows and business logic without writing a single line of code. We also have another one here, which is large language model, LLM agnostic. A major feature of Coze is its ability to integrate with and switch between various top-tier LLMs, including OpenAI's GPT models, Google's Gemini, and models from Coze AI and Anthropic. This flexibility allows users to choose the best model for their specific use case. We also have another feature, which is plugins and tools. Coze has a rich library of pre-built plugins that can give your AI agent extra capabilities. These plugins can enable your bot to perform tasks like searching the web, generating images, and connecting to third-party services. We also have knowledge bases. You can upload your own data, that is either documents, text files, APIs, or website URLs, to create a custom knowledge base for your bot. Also, this allows the agent to answer questions based on your specific information, making it ideal for creating smart customer service bots or personal assistants. We also have another feature, which is workflows. This is where Coze true power lies. Workflows allow you to automate multi-step tasks by chaining together different nodes such as LLMs, code, and external APIs. This can be used to build complex applications like an SEO article generator or a data analysis tool. It's also deployment ready. Once your agent is built, Coze allows you to deploy it across multiple platforms with ease, including messaging apps like Discord, Telegram, and Slack, or as an API for a website or mobile app. Now, this is how to use it. A step-by-step guide. Using Coze to build your first AI agent is a straightforward process, even for you as a beginner. First step is to sign up and create a new agent. Go to the Coze website here and just sign up for a free account. From your dashboard, click on the Create Agent button. Give your agent a name, a function, and an avatar. Now the second step is to define your agent's persona and prompt. The most important step is to write a clear and concise prompt that defines your agent's role, personality, and instructions. For example, you are a friendly and encouraging emotional support partner who gives genuine praise. Coze has an auto-optimize feature that uses AI models to refine your prompt into a more structured and effective format. The third step is add skills with plugins and knowledge. If your agent needs to perform tasks that are beyond the core capabilities of the LLM, you'll need to add skills. We have plugins. Go to the plugins section and browse the store. For example, add a Google search plugin if your bot needs to look up real-time information. We also have knowledge bases. If you want your bot to answer questions based on your own data, go to the knowledge and upload documents, that is either PDFs, text files, CSVs, or provide URLs for the bot to learn from. The fourth step is to test, debug, and publish. Coze provides a built-in debugging panel where you can test your agent and see its throughout process step by step. This is an essential step to ensure your bot works as intended. Once you are satisfied with the agent's performance, click publish and select your desired deployment channel such as Discord or a web API. Coze's intuitive interface combined with its powerful features and free tier makes it an excellent platform for anyone looking to enter the world of AI application development without the steep learning curve of traditional programming. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.